This year for St. Patrick's Day, we're getting a little nostalgic with your favorite rainbow marshmallows and Hudsonville Ice Cream's dairy-free mint fudge cookie. I've already gone ahead and measured 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I added it to this bowl, and to that I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And then I'm going to grab a pinch of coarse salt, just a tiny, tiny little bit, and then we're going to whisk it all together. Once that's all mixed up, we're just going to set that aside. And then we're going to grab our large bowl and electric mixer. We are going to add 1 stick of plant-based butter. You can also do a half a cup of vegetable shortening or a 1/2 cup of vegan buttery spread. Then you're going to grab a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and add that to the bowl. Then you're just going to mix that up until it's light and fluffy. Once you have that light and fluffy, you're going to add 1 egg. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once that's all mixed in, you're going to add a little bit of your flour mixture at a time. About 3/4 of a cup or so. And you're just going to want to keep adding until you have it all mixed in. And next you're going to mix in your marshmallows. Go ahead and scoop the cookies. You should be able to get about 12 per cookie sheet. I'm going to do a couple inches apart. So you'll end up with about 20 cookies from this, so you'll be able to make 10 ice cream sandwiches, which should be plenty for your family. But you can always double the recipe if you want. Okay, we're all set. So I'm going to bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're fully set but not quite brown on the top. Once we get them out of the oven, we are just going to take a couple extra marshmallows and place them on top for a little bit of extra decoration. You're going to want to let your cookies cool all the way before you assemble your ice cream sandwiches, but while they're cooling, go ahead and grab your ice cream out of the freezer and let it soften a bit. So you're going to want to go ahead and scoop your ice cream, and you're going to need 1 cookie for the bottom of your sandwich and 1 cookie for the top. And then you're just going to go ahead and gently press until the ice cream comes out a little bit. And there you have it. Keep going until you run out of ice cream. Once they're assembled, you can go ahead and enjoy them right away, or you can pop them in the freezer for an hour or 2 and serve them later. Hey, sweetie.
Are they ready yet?
You want to try one?
Sure.
What do you think?
Good.